Hello dear YouTube. My name is Semi. This channel belongs to me. I'm the one filming the videos. If you'd like, I'd like to show you too. All of these right here, as you can see, they're all my face.
This is my face, Semi. Okay. These are the tools I asked for After Effects. To the animation video ready. I shall now add the sound to the video. I will then create the video in After Effects. I speeded up the video. It takes me 4-5 hours to create a video. These are all videos I created. To the animations. This is me. Now I will show you the animation text. All the texts are mine. I wrote them. I shall create a video for you now quickly.